I am Adel Ben Youssef, assistant professor at the University of Nice, Sophia Antipolis. I am Tunisian, and I am here as party of the delegation of Tunisia. We are here in order to prepare the COP24, which we had in Katowice. So there are so many sensitive subjects here because it's a technical meeting here. We need to prepare the modality, the guidelines in order to implement the Paris Agreement. So there are a lot of sensitive subjects according to the Paris Agreement, and we are preparing these materials. Let me say that it's usual that in the meetings like this that things are not very moving very fastly because we are not focusing on the substance and more in the details for the moment. At least there is two problems we need to solve them. First, the question of equity, how to go further, or how to move beyond this agreement with which conception of the equity. Second, there are the problems of we need to have a global stocktake, which is where we are and where we want to go and how to achieve these goals. And there are so many views on this. That's why we are not progressing so much in this first week. I think that the civil society is very helpful in order to keep a pressure on the political side in order to move beyond what we are looking for. The civil society is aware about the, how can I say, the global problem, and not focused on the details. They are focused on the substance. Whether we, as a technician here, more focused on the techniques and less on the subject. And we need people who are just moving beyond us and to giving the pressure, the right pressure, in order to be focused. The second thing that here, which is new, that we are not only considering in the next COP information from the GIEC only. We will open the door for collecting more information from civil society, from the university, and from the other sources of information. We have not agreed on how to consider all these materials, but we have agreed that we need to consider more information coming from the other side. And this is very helpful because civil society have more knowledge on the subject than the GIEC and the technician here in the COP.